Welcome to Math Defined, where we break down math concepts so they're easy to understand. Today, we're tackling something super important, multiplying integers. This is a key skill you'll use over and over again, so let's make sure you get it down pat. By the end of this video, you'll be multiplying integers like a pro. Let's start with a pair of simple integers. Remember, integers are just positive and negative whole numbers. So let's look at this positive 5 times positive 5. Well, we already know that 5 times 5 equals 25. When you multiply two positive numbers, the answer is always positive. Now let's see what happens when we multiply two negative numbers. Negative 5 times negative 5. The cool thing here is that when you multiply two negatives, the negatives cancel each other out. So negative 5 times negative 5 equals positive 25. A negative times a negative always equals a positive. It's like a double negative that turns everything positive. So the key takeaway here is that when you multiply two numbers that have the same sign, the answer is always positive. Now, what if one number is negative? Let's look at this positive 5 times negative 5. 5 times 5 equals 25, but because one of our numbers is negative, our answer is negative 25. So when the integers have different signs, the product will always be negative. All right, let's flip things around. What if the negative number comes first? Let's look at negative 5 times positive 5. The rule is the same. Even if the negative number is first, a negative times a positive still gives us a negative result. Now let's take it up a notch with a three-number multiplication problem. Negative 5 times positive 3 times negative 2. Here's how we do it. First, multiply the first two integers. Negative 5 times positive 3. That gives us negative 15. Now we multiply that result by negative 2. Negative 15 times negative 2 equals positive 30. When you're multiplying more than two integers, remember to multiply from left to right, following the same rules we've just learned. In this case, the negatives cancel each other out to end up with a positive 30. Let's just take a moment to review what we've learned today. When multiplying integers with the same signs, the answer will always be positive. When multiplying integers with different signs, the answer will always be negative. And when multiplying more than two integers, just keep multiplying from left to right, remembering that negatives can cancel each other out. These rules will help you master multiplying integers no matter how tricky they might seem. And guess what? The more you practice, the easier it gets. To help you out, I've created a student guided notes worksheet and answer key that go along with this video. If you'd like a free copy of this worksheet and answer key, just drop me an email and I'll send it right over to you. A super thanks would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it. Until next time, keep math awesome.